Hey all! Ever wished for a simple way to create interactive content? That dream is now a reality. If you're a content creator, educator, or marketer, you understand the hassle of crafting dynamic quizzes and tests. Today, we're talking about the Meiro Lifetime Deal, a revolutionary tool in the interactive content industry. No matter your skill level, this deal is something you can't miss. Let's dive in and see how Meiro can change the game for you. What is Meiro? Know about Meiro? Suppose you had an AI-powered assistant who handled all your interactive content problems. It's like having your creative partner to keep your audience engaged. Meiro makes building quizzes and tests easier for everything from lead generation to brand awareness. It transforms your ideas, texts, or media into custom quizzes and tests with the power of AI. No more spending hours on just one quiz. Trust me, once you try Meiro, you'll wonder how you got along without it. Don't miss out. Exclusive lifetime deal prices on AppSumo await. Official regular pricing is over $468, but at AppSumo, you can get this for only $59. This is a one-time single payment. License Tier 1. Tier 1 is a one-time purchase of $59, originally valued at $468. This is suitable for 10 active quizzes and tests, 50 AI content generation credits per month, GPT 3.5 Turbo AI model, 5 custom domains. License Tier 2. License Tier 2 is available as a one-time purchase of $129, originally valued at $828. Offering unlimited active quizzes and tests, 100 AI content generation credits per month, GPT-4 Turbo, GPT-4o AI model, 25 custom domains, 100 AI image generation credits per month. License Tier 3. Premium Tier 3 offering is available for a one-time purchase of $249, down from its original value of $1,225. It offers unlimited active quizzes and tests, 250 AI content generation credits per month, GPT-4 Turbo, GPT-4o AI model, unlimited custom domains, 250 AI image generation credits per month. 5 most important features that make Meiro special. Automated content creation. Say goodbye to spending hours on one quiz. Let Meiro generate custom quizzes and tests in minutes. AI image generator. Automatically transform your ideas into high-quality images in seconds. Customization. Make your quizzes truly yours with customizable content blocks, colors, and buttons. Multiple languages. To reach a global audience, we support 14 languages, including English, Spanish, German, French, and Russian. Integration power. Connect with tools you already love, from Google Sheets to webhooks. People who can benefit from Meiro. Content creators, educators, marketers, business owners, coaches, bloggers, social media managers. Do you fit the bill, or know someone who does? Dive into the world of Meiro and watch the magic unfold. Grab a 10% extra deal from AppSumo. Got your eyes on the Meiro Lifetime Deal over at AppSumo? Well, guess what? I've got some spicy news for you. Extra 10% off alert. Yep, you're not dreaming. On top of that sweet $59 deal, there's a way to snag an extra 10% off. Math wizards, that's savings on savings. How to grab this deal? Visit AppSumo's Meiro Lifetime Deal offer. Find out about a cheap pop-up bar. Type in an active email address. Continually use the same email address. Look in your email to find the 10% off promotion. So, why wait? Jump in and let those savings roll. Reviews that Meiro Lifetime Deal on AppSumo get. Alright, folks, are you curious about what real users are saying about Meiro? Let's dive into some genuine reviews and see the magic through their eyes. So, are you ready to transform your content creation chaos into a symphony? Check out the description, explore the features, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful and are interested in more tech tutorials and reviews, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.